Hi, welcome to TCS Ninja NQT interview questions and answers. So we are going to talk about the aptitude, verbal, programming and reasoning. So these areas I am going to cover today. So let's start my session. And this is Venkat from Wikitegi and Kashiv Infotech Company. So TCS NQT. Hi, this is Venkat from Wikitegi and Kashiv Infotech. Let's talk about TCS NQT interview questions and answers. So here is the areas we are going to cover. That's aptitude, verbal, programming and reasoning. TCS NQT. So it's kind of an online test the company TCS is conducting. TCS is one of the topmost company in India and it's got a lot of branches in all over the world. So it's conducting the exam in all over the country in July month and also in August month. Okay, to apply for the test TCS NQT, so you have to apply on July 1st week. In the event they haven't applied it, then do it now, so you can start it now itself. So it got your online test, you got the technical interview and finally you got a HR interview. This is the overall recruitment process. So it's an online test with the quantitative aptitude of number of questions is 20 minutes. So 40 minutes you got 20 questions, 10 minutes for 10 questions and programming 20 minutes for 10 questions and 20 minutes for one coding. So for any other details of all these questions you got this URL, go here and you can able to check all the questions related to TCS Ninja, and the overall exam is almost 90 minutes exam. So the registration will start every year in May and the exams are conducted in June, July, August and over there, and after the exam you have to go with this TCS Explorer course and you have to finish it to get the offer letter. And the people like a full-time BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, BE, MCA, those people are eligible to attend this one. And apart from that, MCA with the BSc and with the maths, and these are the backgrounds are available. You just check it out. And 60% through the academics like 10th, 12th standard, UG, diploma, PG is accepted. And one active backlog is accepted. The overall gap should not be exceeded 2 years. That's the one they are looking for. And over here you are able to see the registration details and everything is given in this URL. Check it out. And this is Venkat. I'm a Microsoft Most Valuable Professional Award winner and from Wikitegi and Kashiv Infotech Company. So here is my Instagram account. You can contact me at this account for any questions related to TCS. Okay, this is my question 1. He has many friends but the dash are good ones. A few, the some bad. So let's see the answer. The answer is he has many friends but a few are good ones. The word few is the answer. So a few can't be there, the few it's not for not a per year person, it's for everyone. So a few can't be there. They should be given only for maybe for non-human beings, and the one bad, some bad, it's not a positive one. So this is the answer. Let's move on here. The question number 2 is a blind dash one eye. Okay, maybe off one eye, maybe yes, that's good. So it's not in one eye, it can't be in, or it can be two, it can be with. So it's off one eye. Let's move on to the next question. It's question number 3. It is already 5 o'clock. Can you dash time to catch the bus? Can you make it in, have it in, have enough, made it? So the answer is, can you make it in time to catch the bus? So that's kind of like a possible answer when compared to made is past, have enough, have it can't be like a future, make it in is it's a present tense kind of. So make it in is the answer. Let's move on to the next question. The question number 4. If she is not interested, we will dash the proposal. Vacant, is it not a house, right? Abandon, impulse or remove. So the answer is abandon. So impulse is forcing, remove, like it's not a garbage or something to remove. Vacant is like in a house, not it's to vacant the house or something like this. So abandon is the right answer for abandon, like a proposal or like a disputing or dismissing the proposal. So answer is abandon. Next one, the question number 5. James and Sally going to find the new book. Is going to find or are going to find? So both are going to find it, right? So what could be the answer? The answer is are. Okay, because both are going to find it. It's are. Okay, so the next question is like question number 6. Nobody near the trees likes the new game that they are playing. So nobody. So obviously it's a plural one. Maybe like maybe we are guessing likes. The answer is like. Okay, because the game. So the game is like a singular one. So people are nobody. So singular game. So the answer is like. So obviously let's move on to the question number 7. Several of the children were painting the wall with their fingers. So several of the children is plural. So where is the answer? Let's move on to the next question. It's question number 8. Some of the cake was or were left on the table. So some of the cake. So cake is nothing but it's a singular one, but the answer is was. So obviously it's a singular one, so we are using was. Okay, so let's move on to the question number 9. Countries have eradicated this disease 10 years ago. So is it so how eradicated can be replaced by eradicated or had eradicated or did eradicate or no improvement? So what could be the answer? Countries eradicated. So how should be replaced? So eradicated this disease 10 years ago. So that's the answer. Option number A. Question number 10. His father won't be able to leave for Varanasi until they have arrived. What could be the answer? Until they arrive. So removing have. Until they will have arrived. No, it can't be an answer. Until they will arrive. No improvement. So this is the answer. So let's see. Like for this one, so the answer should be until they arrive. So replace this have. So his father won't be able to leave for Varanasi until they arrived. It's not have. So it's not a future sense. So it's a present tense you should follow. So they arrive is the answer. Okay. So Alfred buys an old scooter for rupees 4,700 and spends rupees 800 repair on its repair. If he sells the scooter for 5,800, what is gain percentage? So 4,700 plus 800, it's almost 5,500 is spent like for the scooter, and so obviously 300 rupees is a gain. So 300 rupees is a gain. So obviously the answer is 300 is a gain he got. So 300 divided by the cost price is false. So selling price is 5,500. So 5,500 is the total amount is like a total amount is of the like a cost price into 100. So gain. So divided by cost price into 100, you got 5 into 5 divided by 11. So option B is the answer. The cost price of 20 article is the same as the selling price of X article. Okay. If the profit is 25%, so the number of articles is lesser. So 20 article is like is sold with the 15 article, you got some 25%, maybe 15 kind of. Okay, let's see like what could be the answer. It's 16. Fantastic. So 15, 16, 18, 18. So the cost price I made as 1. If this kind of question is asked, make the cost price as 1. So 20 article, 20 rupees. Okay, profit equal to 20 minus X is a profit. Okay, so number of article is like considering cost price of X article is X, selling price of X article is 20 rupees. Yes. Okay, so X article is 20 rupees. So 20 minus X is the profit he made. Okay, this is the cost price, right? Cost price. So, okay, so 20 minus X divided by X into 100, you got 25. The percentage 25. So manipulating this one, X is equal to 16 is the answer. In a certain store, the profit is 20% of the cost. If the cost is increased by 25%, but the selling price remains constant, approximately what percent of selling price is the profit? See, the profit is 320% of the cost. If the cost increases by 25%, but the selling price remains constant, I didn't increase the cost and selling price. What percent of selling price is the profit? Is the question. It's not 320%. it should be reduced. So guessing the answer, 30% no, 70% no, it should be approximately 100 or 250%, because 320% is getting reduced. It should be 250, I guess, or it can be 100, it can't be A or B. Let's see the answer. Yes, obviously. Oh, it's 70%. My guess is wrong. So cost price is 100 rupees, the profit is 320. Okay, so the selling price is 420 rupees. So cost price, profit is 320, I got 420 rupees. The selling price is 420 and the profit is 420 minus, oh, it's 120. Sorry, the question is wrong. Here is not 25%, it's 125. So the profit is 295. Okay, so new cost price is 125% of rupees 100. Oh, like I got a mistake here, sorry for that. Okay, so this one is 25% of new cost price is 125. The question is correct, the question is correct, and this one is wrong. Over here it's 25%, so the rupees 125 is the new cost price. Okay, 125 is the new cost price. The selling price is same 420, the new cost price is 125, so 420 minus 125, the actual profit is 295. So 295 is the profit divided by the selling price into 100, you got approximately the answer is 70%. This is a mistake I made, this one is not there. Let's move on here. A man buys a cycle for rupees 1400 and sells it a loss of 15%. My God, this guy sold it, is sold for a loss of 15%. What is the selling price of the cycle? So, okay, what is the selling price? 15%, almost 140 rupees, 10% is 140 rupees plus 70, it's a 210 rupees. So, 210 rupees, maybe C is an answer? I guess this not 2%, it can't be an answer, I guess. This is not an answer. And this is a huge loss, man. So I guessing this is this two, like approximately, I guess this is an answer. Let's see. Yes, that's the answer. 85% of 400, you got the answer is 1190. So you can make it simplified. 10% is 1000, like 140 rupees. Okay, 140 rupees, and 5% is almost 70 rupees. Okay, 140 plus 70, add it, reduce it in 1400, you got 1190. Some articles were bought at 6 articles. Some articles were bought at 6 articles for rupees 5. 6 articles sold for rupees 6 article. Okay, some articles were bought at 6 articles for rupees 5 and sold at 5 articles for rupees 6. Oh my God, gain percent is what? 6 articles for rupees 5 and 5 articles for rupees 6. What is the gain percentage? Number of articles bought is LCM of 6 and 5 is 30. Cost price of the 30 articles is 5 divided by 6 into is 25. Selling price is 36. So 11 rupees is gain. 11 divided by the cost price, you got 45% as the gain percentage. Okay, so here is the one. This is my site wikidigi.com. Go to the interview section. You are able to see that URL. Go to the interview section. You will get it. And I'm searching for TCS T company. Yes, TCS Ninja is coming here. This is a URL. So in the bottom you got TCS Ninja. Check it out. You are able to see all the recruitment process details. On the left side you are able to see the registration, syllabus, question answers, everything is there. Just check out our website and you are able to grab all the information. Let's move on. So our company Kashu Infotech, we are conducting plant training internship in Chennai, and also via online internship we are providing. You are eligible to come and attend our program. And here is the courses we are conducting as a weekday and weekend courses. We are planning for online courses also. You can contact us via the website kashuinfotech.com, or these numbers are our contact numbers. Yes, it's my Instagram account Kashu Venkat. You can follow this account and you can ask any questions about TCS in this account. I'm ready to help you on this. When a plot is sold for rupees 18 for 700, the owner loses 15%. My God, At what price must that plot be sold in order to gain 15%? So, like he lost plot sold at 18,700, the owner lost 15%. And what price must that plot be sold in order to gain 15%? My God, 18,700, it's 1,870 plus approximate of 900. So I'm guessing it should be between this one. At what price? 45%? No, this is not an answer. This is not. It should be here. It should be here, man. So approximate of 1,800 plus 900 is approximate of 2,700. Approximate of 2,700. I guess this could be an answer. Maybe. Yes. No. This is an answer. 25,300 is an answer. Okay, so they are asking 85%. 85% is a loss. Is to 18,700. I want 115%. What it will be gain? Okay, so x is equal to 85. So 1800 into 115 divided by 85. You got 125,300. The selling cost is this one. If you sell this one, you will be getting 15%. A trader mixes 26 kilogram of rice at rupees 20 per kg with 30 kg of rice each other at rupees 36 per kg. Mixes 26 kilogram of rice at rupees. So this is 26 kilogram of rice of 20 rupees and 30 kilogram of 36 rupees. Mix it and is sold for 30 per kg. What is his profit percentage? 26 into 20 plus 30 into 36. Somehow we have to manipulate like that. Let's see. Cost price is 26 into 20 plus 30 into 36. You got 1,600. And the selling price is the same, like a total of 56 kilogram, 26 plus 20, 30, 56 kilogram with the 30 per kg. You got 1,680. The gain percentage, so gain is 80 rupees divided by the cost price is 1,600 into 100. You got 5% as gain. Question number 18. 100 oranges are bought at the rate of 350 rupees and sold at the rate of 48 per dozen. What is the profit percentage or loss percentage? So cost price of one orange. So 350 rupees divided by 100 is 3 rupees 50 paise. And sold at 48 per dozen. 48 divided by 10, it's 4 rupees. So per orange is earning 50 paise. So gain percentage is 50 paise divided by the cost price 350 into 100. You got 14. 2 divided by 7 gain. So it's a gain for him, man. Now question number 19. If books are bought at prices ranging from rupees 200 to rupees 350 and sold at prices ranging from 300 to 425, the greatest possible profit that might be made in selling 8 books, man. 8 books. Greatest possible profit that made in selling 8 books. So maximum you can make 425 rupees. So 8 into 425 could be like that. So least cost price is 200 into 1,600. Okay. Greatest selling by 425 into 8. All books is sold for 425. So 340, 3,400. So 3,400 minus 1,600 is 1,800 is a gain. So maximum he is able to make a possible profit of 1,800. A farmer bought toffees at 6 for a rupee. 6 toffees for a rupee, 1 rupee. How many for a rupee he must sell to gain 20%? How many for a rupee must he sell to gain 20%? Maybe 7.5 or something like that. A farmer made toffees at 6 for a rupee, 6 toffee for a rupee. How many for a rupee made he sell to gain 20%? It's 5. Cost price of 6 toffee is 1 rupee. Selling price of 6 toffee is 120%, 6 divided by 5. 120 divided by 100, man. 120 divided by 100 is 6 divided by 5. For 6 divided by sold is 6. 1 toffee is 5. Okay, this is the answer. The answer is 5 is the answer. A polygon has 77 diagonals. Determine the number of sides. Something that is a formulation available, man. What is a formulation? It's n into n minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to the diagonals. Okay, so n into n minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 77. So cross multiplying it, solving it, you got n is equal to minus 11 and 14. And remove this minus 11. So the value is n is equal to 14. So number of sides of the polygon is 14. A rectangular grassy plot is a 112 meter by 78 meter. It is a gravel path of 2.5 meter wide all round. So 2.5 meter here, 2.5 meter here, 2.5 meter and 2.5 meter here. We have to remove those things, man. Okay, there is a gravel path here in the end. You got the gravel path. So find the area of the path. Okay, the formula for the diagonals is so it's almost 9. So to find the area of the path is like almost like we have to find is 925 meters square. Let's see. The total number of diagonals is n into n minus 3 divided by like n minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to diagonals. N is the number of sides and d is the total number of diagonals in the polygon. Oh, sorry, this is the previous question. Sorry. The outer length of the grassy plot is 112 meter. This is this is not there. Sorry for that. That is a mistake. Outer length of the grassy plot is 112 meter. The outer breadth of the plot is 78 meter. So total area is, so length into breadth is 8736. The width of the path is 2.5. Inner length is 112. 112 is the here. 112 is here. Minus 2 into 2.5 is 107. And the breadth is 73. The inner area of the plot is 107 into 73 is 7, 8, 11, 11. The total area is outer area minus inner area. You got 925 as the answer. Find the area of rhombus, one of whose diagonals measures 8 centimeter and the other is 10 centimeter. So area of the triangle formula is half into base into height. The area of one triangle is 10 centimeter square. The total area of rhombus is 4 into area of one triangle, so 410 is 40 centimeter square. So obviously, like you are able to see whose diagonal measures 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So the base is 8 divided by 2, it's 4, and the height is 10 divided by 2, that's 4. That's the one I have done here. You have to divide that one divided by 2. Jake can dig a well in 16 days. Paul can dig the same well in 24 days. Jake, Paul and Harry, all these people made it as in 8 days. Harry alone can dig the well in how many days? So 16 days in the sense 1 day is 1 by 16, 1 day is 1 by 24, 1 day is 1 by 8. Such kind of formulation you have to do it for this problem. So Jake is 1 day is 1 by 16, Paul it's 1 by 24, Harry is 1 by x. The total is 1 by 16 plus 1 by 24 plus 1 by x is equal to 1 by 8. Solving this equation, you got 1 by x is equal to 48. So Paul is the one guy, so Harry is the one guy, he'll be making it in 48 days. So this is like it's not Paul, it's Harry. Let's move on to the verbal once again. He is a dash and European. So you is silent here, you is the one it will come. Let's see like what could be the answer. He is a European. So yeah, single person, that's you have to use this a. And here is the one where you are able to see all my questions for all the companies. Check it out in our website. And here is the one like for TCS. So go to this URL and click this interview pattern, interview here, and you are able to see the company T questions. And here is the URL for our company. So you are able to see TCS Ninja in the bottom. Check it out in the left bar, TCS Ninja. Over here you are able to see all TCS information, and in the left side you are able to see all the questions and everything. And here is our another channel, Kashu Venkat. Over here you are able to see all kind of companies questions. You can check it out for TCS also. Yes, it's question number 26. He plays a dash cricket. A cricket and cricket, D cricket, none of these. So A and cannot be coming, so he plays cricket is the answer, so you don't want anything here. I gave dash 1 rupee note to a beggar, yeah, and the none of this. Yeah, 1 rupee, because it's a singular, man. It should be yeah, 1 rupee note to a beggar. So I dash here for 10 years now. I have lived for 10 years now, man. It's a present tense. So have should not be there. Let's see, like, what could be the answer. So I have lived here for 10 years now, because from the past I'm living, man. So I have lived is an answer. Over here, it's question number 29. Karan will arrive in an hour. An hour, that's awesome, man. It's an hour. What are the difference of C and Java? Let's move on to the technical questions. C and Java. Okay, so C is a procedural language, Java is an object-oriented language, a generic programming language. Executable native code is a Java bytecode. It's a manually done, the memory management is manually done, managed and using garbage collection, they are doing it. Pointers, yes, very commonly used. No pointers, references are made instead. Precursor, yes, it's there, it's not there in Java. So our company, we are conducting in-plant training internship for lots and lots of people. You can contact us, and here is the our course contents. You can use it, and you can contact us for cheapest courses in Chennai and via online. Now let's move on to the programming area of a TCS Ninja. So question number 31. I got lots and lots of questions here, man. So integer A is equal to 5, B is equal to 7, switch off A, case 5, so I got my switch case and everything is here. Looks like I finished this, I missed this bracket, like a semicolons and everything. So obviously I'm guessing this could be an error. Let's say, like, for this kind of program, go with error. So see, you are able to see the program here. So I got the program error here. Okay, so I've executed this program, I got the error. Okay, so the answer is error is an answer. So I execute it here, just check it out. Let's move on here. Int A is equal to 4, 5, 6, B, comma, C, comma, D is equal to 10. B is equal to A divided by T, C is equal to A minus B, and print the C. What could be the answer? Over here, A is equal to 456. Okay, so A is equal to 456. So B is equal to 456 divided by 10, quotient is 45, and C is equal to 456 minus 45, it's 411. The answer is B. What is the output of this C code? Integer I is equal to 0.7, static float M is equal to 0.7, M equals I. So this is 0.7 and this is static float. Equals should not be there. I guess this code will generate an error, man. Okay, this code will generate an error because I need to do some typecasting. So this is integer and this static float. So typecasting needs to be done. So this code will generate an error. Function modify of a comma b, integer c comma d is equal to 2, c is equal to a into d plus b, return c. Function calculate integer a is equal to 5, b is equal to 20, c, integer d is equal to 10, c is equal to modify a comma b, c is equal to c plus d, print c. So int a is equal to 5, b is equal to 20, c, d is equal to 10. Modify of a comma b, this function will go here. 5, a is 5 and b is 20, 5 comma 20. C, d is equal to 2. So a is 5 into d, d is 2 plus b. So 5 into 2 plus 20. So 5 into 2 plus 20. So obviously I'll be getting so this is a 1 is coming, the value is returning is 5 into 2 is 10 plus 20 is 30. So this is returning c is 30. So c is 30 here, 30 plus 10, 30 plus 10, you got the answer as 40. The answer is 40, yes, the answer is 40 here. Ashima wants to print a pattern which includes a checking and changing a variable value iteratively, she decides to use a loop condition. Which of the following options should she use such that the body of the loop or condition is executed at least once, whether the variable satisfies the entering condition or not? Wants to print a pattern which includes checking and changing a variable value, maybe an if condition or maybe a for condition. The iterate, she decides to use a loop condition. Which are the following options? So I have to do some iteration also, which includes checking and changing a variable values iteratively, while or do while, something like that. Yes, do while loop. Ashima wants to print a pattern which includes checking and changing a variable value iteratively. She decides to use a loop condition. Which of one should use? She used such that the body of the loop is executed at least once. As I missed this one, at least once. So it should execute one, right? Your do while loop execute once and check the condition. Do while is the one. Yes, here's the URL. You are able to check it out, all the questions. And here's my TCS Ninja pattern. Okay, so go to this interview pattern here and check out here. Go to this T company and go here. This is the URL, and over here on the left side you got TCS Ninja. Check it out. And here is the other TCS interview questions are available in this channel. Just follow this channel. Okay, the construct if condition then A else B, it's decision making. Use which of the following purposes? Decision making, iteration, recursion. This decision making, man. The answer is decision making. The answer is decision making. Now, Ravi and Rupali are asked to write a program to sum the rows of 2 cross 2 matrix stored in an array. So code A is this one, a for loop to add it, and code B is this one. Comment upon these doors. Assume no loop unrolling is done by code A will execute faster than B. Code B is execute faster than A. Code A is logically incorrect. Code B, a for loop summing up the arrays over here, summing up the same. The logic is same, but code B is faster because looping is there, is no loop. So obviously the number of lines are there. So code B will execute faster than A. Yes, looks like it's good. So code B will execute faster. Both are doing the same logic. The one difference is it got a lot of execution. The complexity is increasing. Okay, over here there is no directly we are writing the coding. So code B is executing faster. What is the difference between a function and a method? Function is named code, unlike method, which is part of an object. Function contained in an object is called a method. Function cannot change variables outside its scope, unlike method. There is no difference between the two. Till now I thought the option D is an answer. Let's see. A function returns some value, a method does not return anything. Function of return type, method has no return type. So this is a function is a name code, unlike method, which is part of an object. A is an answer. So I got a lot of answers here. Functions of independent existence such as that they will define outside the class. Okay, over here there is a difference. Please check it out. So functions are referred to as independently, methods are referring as using instance of objects. So these are some of the differences, just check it out. Binary to decimal conversion. Binary, I got the binary value, so you will have this kind of option. So 1 into 2 power 0 is equal to 1. So over here 1 into 2 power 1 is equal to 2. 1 into 2 power 2 is equal to 4, and 0 into 2 power 3 is equal to 0. So add this one, 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 7. So this is how binary to decimal conversion will be. Okay, so divide the number by 2, and we have done a lot of things, check it out, but that's how we will be doing it. So binary to decimal. So here is a program for that one. So I got the main function num, I got the binary number, I pass this one to this function, I got the number coming here, I got this one while of temp, I'm trying to divide it. Looks like it's a decimal to binary, sorry for that. It's not binary to decimal. sorry for that, it's a decimal, so it's returning a decimal value. This is a program. Let's see the program now. This is a program, so it's a binary to decimal. So here is the logic, you will be writing it here. So divided by 10 and last digit into base, like into 2 and 2, everything I'm doing it. Okay, this is how. So I got the number here. Yes, it's a binary to decimal. So you'll have it here. So I got this one. So 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. Okay, so this is a 1 I got. So the question is like, so let me show you. It's a 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. So I got this value. So manipulating this value, like I'll be getting this answer. Let's move on here. I'm able to see it here, like so this is a program, so it's getting an output. Now write a C program to find the area of a circle with the radius provided. The value of the radius is positive integer passed to the program as the first command line parameter. Write the output to start stout. It's formatted as a floating point number rounded to exactly 2 decimal precision without any other additional text. The scientific format should not be used while printing the output. You may assume that the inputs will be such that the output will not exceed the largest possible real number that can be stored in a float type variable. This is a question. And here is the program. Okay, just check the program. This is the one they are expecting. So the input parameter is a float variable, and they are taking and converting into an integer, storing in radius and printing it in the float variable with the 2 decimals. And here is the program in a clearer picture. Sorry, like I should show to you the output. Yes, this is the one. I'm trying to execute it. I should give an argument, sorry. And this is the program, please check it out. And this is the program. Okay, so our company is conducting in-plant training internship. Like you can contact us. And here is the courses of our company. Let's move on to the next question. Write a code to check whether the number is prime or not. The condition use function check method to find whether entered number is positive or negative. If negative, then enter the number, and if yes, pass number as a parameter to prime and check whether the number is prime or not. Okay, this is WS. This is the question asked, and this is a program. So I'm using my C++ program to write the program. Okay, here is a code. So I'm checking out, like that is a for loop to increment the values, and checking the count. When check it out, like whether it's prime or not. If the count is 0, so here is a condition to check whether it's a prime or not. Here's a condition I'm making out. Okay, so over here int n, enter the number. I'm taking the n value and checking the parameter as number here. Okay, and this is a method for prime number, and if it is a prime number, so the data is printed here. Okay, this is how the program is. Okay, here is the code. I've given the entire code here. Please check it out. Now consider the below series. This is a series. How to find the nth element of the series? Nth element of the series. And here is a program for that. Here is a program, and you are able to see it here, the detailed one. So here is the program. So the number is 5. I'm giving the number as 5. Automatically it will try to identify it. Okay. Now pattern programming in C. How to create a pattern programming? So this is a program to create a pattern program. So what is the number of rows you want? I'm giving some 4 or something like that. I'm looping through the row here. Okay, I'm giving a pattern here, a star pattern here, to loop to print the stars in a row. Okay, this is a program I've given. Okay, you're able to see it here. So just give it here. I'm getting the 5 rows here. So I'm a bit fast in explaining the programs. The reason is like I don't want to like make it a stretched video. I want to cut short it. So I'm making the video a bit faster. Okay, so you can rewind the video or you can move it before and you can see all the program and you can note it down. Now, program to check if a year is a leap year or not. So normal year is 365, leap year is 366. The extra day is 29 years, 29th of February. Leap years for or any years that are exactly divided by 4. And if it is exactly divided by 100, okay, except if it is can be exactly divided by 400. This is considered as leap years. This is considered as leap years and this is considered as leap years also. And here is the condition. I got the leap year. The percentage of 400 is a leap year, or else percentage of 100 isn't a leap year. Okay, percentage of 4 is a leap year, and is it not a leap year? So I made a simple if condition to check it out. This is a program. Now write a code for a palindrome number using C++. What is palindrome? Palindrome is nothing but reversing numbers. So 111, 101, 99 or something like that. A palindrome number is nothing but a symmetrical number. So 141 in the reverse is 141, 151 reverse 151, 161 reverse. So this is called palindrome numbers. So reversing it, you will get the same numbers. So I want to reverse the code, so reverse the number. So I am trying to reverse it and checking out. This is a reversing code, and I am trying to give the original integer with the reverse integer. If it is same, then it's called palindrome. So I made a very simple thing, 121. So I take this 1, put it in the front, center 2 and make it inside. So reversing it, I am checking out. This is how we will be doing it. Yes, I am giving the integer here, 100. So it's a palindrome. It's a palindrome. And here is a code to note it down. Check it out for me. Okay, so I got the number, percentage of 10, you got the remainder, and this is simple logic I am doing it here to reverse the number. To reverse the number, this is a simple logic. And everything is there in this interview questions answer. Check it out. And if you want more questions, almost I got some 400 questions of TCS here. Interview. Okay, go here. And the T company. And over here you got the TCS in the left side. And a lot of questions of TCS is there in this channel. Check it out. C program to find the factorial of a number. Factorial. So 3 factorials are 3 into 2 into 1. Over here I am doing the same. This is the logic to check it out. So factorial into 1, I am making it a loop. So 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, so obviously if like I am getting the number, if it is less than 0, it's not a it's a negative number, forget it, or else go through this loop, make a for loop. So make it as a factorial. So I'm loop through it and adding it slowly. Okay, so 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 or something like that. 10 factorial is this one. And here is a program, the entire program here. Just note it down. Okay, C program to demonstrate the working of a keyboard. Long. So how the keyboard is working? I am trying out like the C program to check the keyboard. Long. So size of integer is what? Size of long. Long, double, long, double. So these are the data types available. So I am giving everything here. Now I am executing it. So the size of long is 4 bytes and 8 bytes. You are able to see the output there. Okay, size of int is 4 bytes, long is 8, long is 8, double is 8 and long double is 16. C program to calculate the power of a number, x square, y square. Enter a base number and enter the exponent. Exponent not equal to null, so 4 into, like I got 4 square or 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4, I am trying to manipulate it. So reducing it, the exponent, I am trying to do it. Let's see like how the result is coming out. I am trying to execute it. Enter a base number 5 and the exponent is 3. It's a 3 power 5. Base number is 5, 5 power 3, sorry, 5 into 5 into 5 is 125, that's good. So 5 cube is 125, 25 into 5 is 5, 125. C program to find ASCII value of a character. Here is the one. So percentage C is the character and percentage D is the ASCII value. So I am trying to print the ASCII value of this particular character. So G is the character I am giving, 71 is the ASCII value of G, and here is the program to note it down. Okay, let's move on to the final question to check whether a character is an alphabet or not. So I got the character, so C is greater than or equal to A or Z or R, capital A or Z. So obviously we will be getting this one. So I am putting a fifth condition. If it is there, it's an alphabet or it's not an alphabet. Let's see, like I'll run this program. Oh, I should not give cashew, it should be, I should give K, letter, right? Sorry, I missed this one. Here is the one, enter the character K and I'm taking it as K as an alphabet. That's the one. I say thanks for watching this video, and this is Venkat and is my Instagram channel. Instagram, you are able to follow it and you can contact me. Any TCS question you can contact me at this Instagram and you can ask any doubts. And here is our company conducting in-plant training internship. And apart from this, like here is a cashew in photo company conducting courses. And these are all channels, you just follow it. Subscribe to your channel, click the bell symbol. You'll be getting a lot of updates. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.